So guys, we have Audi A6, V6, TDI, and we're gonna do the test for a chromium-6, the most dangerous stuff to get cancer and other. My friend will tell you much more about that. So this is the tester. There you go. And we're testing it on Audi A6 2018 plate.
And we will now test the welding seam of a so-called integral insulation of hot parts. It's a stainless steel foil, and under the foil we have thermal insulation containing calcium. And there are some places where the calcium can go out. And we are now testing around the seams. And if the swab becomes purple, we will have the knowledge that we have some chromium-6 outside. And we have. Okay, stop.
There you go. So what does mean?
This means that we have a permanent creation and formation of a carcinogen chromium-6 compound called calcium chromate, CaCrO4, and this is a thermochemical reaction between calcium-containing insulation parts and chromium-3 containing alloys, and this is a typical sample for a thermal insulation on cars, engines, and on other parts.
So basically it's on all engines who create high temperature.
Right.
And it's got insulation.
Right.
So that means planes, boats,
Right.
cars,
Right.
absolutely everything what's got engine.
Every engine which is insulated
crazy.
with calcium containing insulation, and this is 95% of every application.
So here we go. We prove that chromium-6 is on just normal car. It's on Audi, but it's gonna be on all the brands. So look what they doing to us.